I once spoke with a group of professionals who were all earning good incomes: engineers, managers, consultants, people who had worked hard to build stable careers. But then I asked a simple question: how many of you feel financially secure? Surprisingly, only a few hands went up. That moment revealed something powerful. Earning more money does not automatically lead to wealth. Many middle-class professionals earn decent incomes, yet remain financially stressed for years. The reason is often not income. It is habits. Small financial habits that quietly shape our financial future. Today, we will explore 7 habits that often keep the middle class financially stuck. And more importantly, how awareness of these habits can help you build a stronger financial future. Hello and welcome to the CFO Desk. Let's begin with the first habit. The first habit is living beyond your means. Many people try to maintain a lifestyle that exceeds their financial capacity. Expensive gadgets, frequent dining out, and lifestyle upgrades slowly consume income that could otherwise be saved or invested. Over time, this habit creates the illusion of prosperity while quietly weakening financial stability. The second habit is relying entirely on a single source of income. Most middle-class professionals depend completely on their monthly salary. While a stable job is valuable, depending on only one income stream creates vulnerability. Economic uncertainty, industry disruptions, or unexpected job loss can quickly create financial stress. Developing additional income streams, even small ones, can significantly strengthen financial security. The third habit is delaying investing. Many people believe they will start investing later in life when their income increases. Unfortunately, delaying investing means losing one of the most powerful forces in finance: compounding. Compounding allows money to grow exponentially over time. Even small investments made early can grow into significant wealth over the long term. The fourth habit is ignoring financial education. Many professionals spend years developing career skills, but very little time learning how money actually works. Understanding saving, investing, debt management, and financial planning is essential for long-term financial success. Financial education empowers individuals to make smarter decisions with their money. The fifth habit is accumulating bad debt. Credit cards and consumer loans can easily trap individuals in a cycle of repayments. Many people finance lifestyle purchases that provide temporary satisfaction but no long-term financial value. High-interest debt reduces financial flexibility and slows down wealth creation. The sixth habit is neglecting long-term financial planning. Many individuals focus only on monthly expenses and short-term needs. But building wealth requires long-term thinking. Planning for retirement, setting financial goals, and building investment strategies early can make a significant difference in the future. The seventh and final habit is lifestyle inflation. As income increases, expenses also tend to rise. A higher salary often leads to a bigger car, a larger home, and more expensive habits. While enjoying success is important, constantly upgrading lifestyle prevents wealth from accumulating. Real financial progress happens when savings and investments grow faster than expenses. Let's quickly recap the 7 habits we discussed today. Living beyond your means. Relying on a single source of income. Delaying investing. Ignoring financial education. Accumulating bad debt. Neglecting long-term financial planning, and allowing lifestyle inflation to consume income growth. Avoiding these habits does not require extraordinary income. It requires awareness, discipline, and consistent financial decisions. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It is the result of small, smart choices made consistently over many years. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing to the CFO Desk for more insights on finance, investing, and building long-term success. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.